I did the random. Go gaga. Chocolate fudge cheesecake blizzard. It's actually pretty good. I did the random. Go gaga. Go gaga. I did the random. Hippity skippity dippity. I did the random. Go gaga. Yippity hippity skippity. Did the random. Go. I did your grandma, Gucci, gaga, mama, papa. Yippity, hippity, skippity, do the parade. Alrighty then. Do your grandma. I did your grandma, mama, papa. Did your grandma, Gucci, goo, gaga. I did your grandma, goo, gaga. Do your grandma, hippity, skippity, drippity. I did it, Vermin! Woo! I did it, Vermin! Mama, Papa, did it, Vermin! Hippity, hippity, skippity. I did it, ma'am. Go. I got. Alrighty then. I did. Yabba dabba doo. Did it, ma'am. I did it, ma'am. Go. It's melting. Did you rhyme? Did you rhyme? Did you rhyme? Did you rhyme? Goo. A goo gaga. Mama papa. Oh, did you rhyme? I did rhyme. I did rhyme. I did remember. Good you go. I go. I got it. Mama Papa. Oh, did ram. Did you ram? Did you ram? The Gucci go. I teach you rum a Gucci goo gaga mama baba yippity hippity skippity do da parade. Alrighty then. Teach you rum chocolate stain. Teach you rum. Teach you rum. did you rum rum? I 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 ignored it. Enough about me. How are you doing today? Yeah. How you doing? Hey. This is the real me. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Here's me. I went from to this. To this. Hey guys, what's going? Are you impressed? Are you impressed? You know, honestly, guys, I'm just going to give a review because I never do that, but I'll do it right now. So, the little chocolate pieces, they're kind of filled with chocolate, so you kind of crack them open like little squares. And then there's a little piece of cheesecake. Not enough cheesecake. What's some caramel? It tasted good. I don't know why they did away with their strawberry cheesecake blizzard. That one was like the best. But it's okay. It's different. I personally think the cheesecake with the ice cream, it kind of mixes in well. But yeah, it's pretty alright. I would give it like maybe a 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10. I would say 7 out of 10. It was pretty alright. But I don't know. I feel like I could have just had straight up cheesecake in it. It would have been fine. Over and out. Go to the ram,